I urge you, my dear brothers and sisters, especially those who hide their illness or disease from their family, friends, and loved ones. Hindi nyo po kayang mag-isa iyan. Hindi nyo kayang mag-isa na kayo lang ang may sakit na gamutin ang sarili ninyo. Sana magkaroon kayo ng lakas ng loob at tiwala na hanapin si Jesus sa buhay ninyo. Sapagkat siya lamang ang pwede ninyong makasama sa mga panahon na tayo ay nasa sakit, matinding sakit na ating dinaranas. Because Jesus will not judge us or treat us as a sinners, but through His compassion and mercy, He will heal us, give us the strength and courage to tell the truth, and ask for the necessary help and support from our family, friends, and loved ones.